In the heart of the 6th century, a single emperor dared to dream of a world reunited. This was a time of great turmoil and fragmentation, where the remnants of the once mighty Roman Empire were scattered and weakened. Yet, amidst this chaos, one man envisioned a grand revival. He envisioned a Roman Empire restored to its former glory, its borders stretching from the sands of North Africa to the untamed wilds of Britannia. This vision was not just about reclaiming land, it was about restoring a sense of unity and purpose to a fractured world. This was the ambition of Justinian I, the most celebrated emperor of the Byzantine Empire. His name would be etched in history not just for his conquests, but for his relentless pursuit of a dream that many thought impossible. His reign was a whirlwind of conquest, rebellion, and unprecedented construction. From the battlefields to the bustling construction sites, Justinian's influence was felt far and wide. His military campaigns were as ambitious as they were costly, and his building projects were nothing short of monumental. Justinian's story is one of both dazzling triumphs and crushing defeats, a testament to the enduring power of Roman ambition and the heavy cost of empire. His victories were celebrated with grand triumphs, but his defeats were equally monumental, leaving scars that would last for generations. The legacy of his reign is a complex tapestry of glory and ruin, a reminder of the dual nature of power. The ruins of ancient Rome, the coins bearing his image, and the historical records all tell a story of a man who sought to reshape the world. Justinian's dream was not merely one of nostalgia, it was a forward-looking vision, rooted in the belief that the Roman world had an inherent unity that transcended time and space. He saw himself as the guardian of this legacy, tasked with preserving and enhancing it for future generations. He believed in the inherent unity of the Roman world, a world where Roman law, culture, and authority reigned supreme. To this end, he sought to codify Roman law, creating a legal framework that would shape the course of Western civilization for centuries to come. To achieve this vision, he would launch a series of costly military campaigns to reclaim the lost territories of the Western Roman Empire. These campaigns were fraught with danger and uncertainty, but Justinian's resolve never wavered. He would pour vast sums into ambitious building programs, seeking to leave an indelible mark on the landscape of his empire. The Hagia Sophia, with its breathtaking architecture, stands as a testament to his vision and determination. And he would codify Roman law, creating a legal framework that would shape the course of Western civilization for centuries to come. The Justinian Code became a cornerstone of legal systems around the world, influencing countless generations of lawmakers and jurists. Justinian's reign was a pivotal moment in world history. He stood at the crossroads of antiquity and the Middle Ages, grappling with the legacy of a fallen empire and the challenges of a changing world. His efforts to bridge these two eras were both bold and transformative. He stood at the crossroads of antiquity and the Middle Ages, grappling with the legacy of a fallen empire and the challenges of a changing world. His reign marked a transition, a blending of old and new, as he sought to forge a path forward. His story is a reminder that even the grandest dreams often come at a steep price, and that the pursuit of glory can leave a trail of both triumph and tragedy in its wake. The sacrifices made, the battles fought, and the lives lost all underscore the heavy toll of his ambitions. Justinian's legacy is a complex one, filled with both awe-inspiring achievements and sobering lessons. The triumphal arches, the ruins of once great cities, and the artifacts of a bygone era all serve as reminders of a time when one man's dream sought to reshape the world. His story is a testament to the enduring power of vision and the relentless pursuit of greatness, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Justinian I ascended to the throne of the Byzantine Empire in 527 AD. His rise to power marked the beginning of a transformative era for the empire, one that would see significant changes in its political, cultural, and legal landscapes. Born into humble origins in a Balkan village, Justinian's early life was far removed from the grandeur of the imperial court. His modest beginnings did not deter him, rather, they fueled his ambition and determination to rise above his circumstances. He rose through the ranks of the Byzantine bureaucracy through a combination of intelligence, ambition, and the patronage of his uncle, Emperor Justin I. His uncle's support was crucial, providing him with opportunities to prove his capabilities and gain valuable experience in governance. Upon Justin's death, Justinian inherited the throne and embarked on a reign that would span nearly 4 decades. His long rule allowed him to implement a series of ambitious projects and reforms that would leave a lasting legacy on the empire. Justinian was a man of immense energy and drive. His relentless work ethic and visionary outlook set him apart from many of his contemporaries. He possessed a keen intellect and an insatiable thirst for knowledge. This intellectual curiosity drove him to seek out and engage with the leading scholars and thinkers of his time. He was deeply interested in theology, law, and philosophy, and he surrounded himself with some of the brightest minds of his age. These intellectuals not only advised him, but also helped shape the policies and reforms that defined his reign. He was also a shrewd politician and a ruthless pragmatist, willing to use any means necessary to achieve his goals. His political acumen was evident in his ability to navigate the complex and often treacherous landscape of Byzantine court politics. His reign was marked by a series of ambitious projects and reforms. These initiatives were aimed at strengthening the empire and ensuring its prosperity for future generations. He oversaw the construction of some of the most iconic buildings in history, including the Hagia Sophia, a monumental church that would become a symbol of Byzantine architectural and artistic achievement. A masterpiece of Byzantine architecture that still stands today as a testament to the empire's wealth and artistic genius. The Hagia Sophia's grandeur and beauty continue to inspire awe and admiration. He also reformed the Byzantine legal system, compiling and codifying centuries of Roman law into a single comprehensive code known as the Corpus Juris Civilis. This legal codification was one of his most enduring achievements. This monumental legal work would become the foundation of Western legal tradition. Its influence can still be seen in modern legal systems around the world, underscoring Justinian's lasting impact on the course of history. The Byzantine Empire that Justinian inherited was a world in flux, a realm teetering on the edge of transformation and uncertainty. In the West, the once mighty Roman Empire had crumbled under the weight of barbarian invasions, economic instability, and internal strife. The grandeur of Rome was now a distant memory, replaced by fragmented kingdoms and a sense of loss. The last Roman emperor in the West, Romulus Augustulus, had been deposed by a Germanic warlord in 476 AD, marking the symbolic end of an era. This event signaled the definitive collapse of Roman authority in the West. In the East, however, the Roman Empire lived on in the form of the Byzantine Empire. This eastern bastion of Roman civilization continued to thrive, preserving the legacy of Rome while forging its own unique identity. Centered on the magnificent city of Constantinople, strategically located at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, the Byzantine Empire had weathered the storms that had brought down its western counterpart. Constantinople was not just a city, it was a symbol of resilience and continuity. It possessed a strong military, a vibrant economy, and a rich cultural heritage that drew upon both Greek and Roman traditions. The Byzantine military was renowned for its discipline and innovation, while its economy was bolstered by trade and industry. Yet the Byzantine Empire was not without its challenges. It faced numerous internal and external threats that constantly tested its resilience and adaptability. To the east, it faced the constant threat of the Sasanian Empire, a powerful Persian state that controlled vast territories in the Middle East and Central Asia. The Byzantine-Sasanian conflicts were fierce and frequent, draining resources and manpower. To the north, it faced the pressure of nomadic tribes who raided its borders and threatened its trade routes. These incursions disrupted the stability of the empire and posed a significant challenge to its security. And within its own borders, the empire was often plagued by religious controversies, political intrigue, and social unrest. These internal issues were as dangerous as any external threat, often leading to periods of instability and upheaval. Driven by his dream of restoring the Roman Empire, Justinian embarked on a series of costly military campaigns that would define his reign. His armies, led by brilliant generals like Belisarius and Narses, fought on multiple fronts, from the sun-drenched battlefields of North Africa to the rugged mountains of Italy. The first target of Justinian's reconquest was the Vandal kingdom in North Africa. The Vandals, a Germanic tribe that had sacked Rome in the 5th century, had established a powerful kingdom in North Africa, controlling vital grain shipments to Constantinople. In 533 AD, Justinian launched a daring invasion of North Africa, led by Belisarius. The Byzantine army, though outnumbered, was well-trained and equipped, and Belisarius proved to be a brilliant tactician. The Vandal kingdom was swiftly conquered, and North Africa was once again under Roman rule. After his success in North Africa, Justinian turned his attention to Italy. the heartland of the former Western Roman Empire. Italy was then ruled by the Ostrogoths, another Germanic tribe that had established a kingdom there. The Gothic War, as it came to be known, would prove to be a long and brutal conflict lasting for nearly 2 decades.